In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Goodshort subscription fast in this 2026 guide. The most important thing to know before you begin is that Goodshort subscriptions must usually be canceled on the same platform where you originally purchased them. So first, take a moment to determine whether you signed up through the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, PayPal, or directly on the Goodshort website. Once you identify that, the rest of the process becomes very straightforward. If you subscribe through Google Play on an Android device, start by opening the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions, and select Subscriptions. From there, find and tap Goodshort. You should see the option to cancel the subscription. Tap Cancel Subscription, then follow the prompts to confirm. Make sure you complete the final confirmation, because backing out too early may leave the subscription active. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store on an iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app on your device. Tap your Apple ID at the top, then select Subscriptions. Look for Goodshort in your active subscriptions list and tap it. After that, choose Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. If you don't see a cancel option, it may already be canceled, but it's still a good idea to review the status carefully. If your subscription was set up through PayPal, sign into your PayPal account and go to Settings. From there, open Payments, then Automatic Payments. Find Goodshort in the list of merchants or recurring payments, select it, and cancel the automatic payment. This step is important because stopping the recurring billing through PayPal is what prevents future charges. If you subscribe directly on the Goodshort website, sign into your Goodshort account first, then open your subscription or billing settings. Look for an option such as Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription. Turn off Auto Renew if that's the available option, or select Cancel if that appears instead. Depending on the site layout, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same: stop the renewal before the next billing date. Once you've canceled using the correct platform, verify that the subscription status now shows canceled. That final check helps make sure the request actually went through. It's also smart to keep any confirmation email or receipt for your records in case you need proof later. And that's how to cancel your Goodshort subscription quickly and correctly.